you guys hit the red subscribe button below this video window and turn the bell on so that you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Club Factory haul. I asked you guys on Instagram whether you would like to see a Club Factory haul and most of you said yes. So here I am today with a huge Club Factory haul. So the very first thing that I have is a really pretty and dainty piece. I had no plan to buy a ring, but since I came across it, I brought it. That's how it looks like. It's such a classy and elegant piece. This looks really classic. I so loved it. This will go with ethnic, Western, Indian, every outfit. This retails for 113 rupees only. This came up in a little cute packaging like this. Everything that I ordered came up in a separate packaging. So yeah, first thing was this. The next thing that we have is a rose gold color bracelet. You guys know how much I love rose gold and I wanted a bracelet in rose gold. Basically, it was my birthday on 1st of June, so my top was of rose gold color this time. So for that purpose, I ordered this rose gold bracelet. And you know what happened? It arrived on 2nd of June. And that in the morning, like just after a day after my birthday. I was sad, like एक दिन पहले आ जाता यार, मैं पहन लेती इसको. Anyways, I loved it. So that's how it looks like. This was available in 3 colors: silver, gold and rose gold. So I went for rose gold. It says love. It's a very elegant bangle yet again. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so this retails for 138 rupees and this came up inside this. And you know, with every package, every single package, you get the barcode and the product details, price and everything. So you know, price are mentioned on the things as well, so you know, so I don't have to remember it for the video. Okay, so the third thing that I have is again a bracelet, but this is a bracelet set in golden color. I so wanted a bracelet stating some message or code like this. So you know, I was just scrolling for this and I came across a bracelet set having a coated bracelet. So I went ahead and placed order for this one. So this was a set of 3 pieces. So this is how the finally I'm showing it to you guys. This is how it looks like, the first bracelet. It says be brave. So cute, my god. See, I hope you guys can read the be brave. I am already brave. So yeah, I love this bracelet so much. And price bataungi na, you guys will get shook. I'm telling you. Okay, so the second piece in the bracelet set is this bangle, not bangle. And that's how it looks like. And the last but third piece is this bangle. This also says love. इसको ना ऐसे open करके पहनना पड़ेगा. Yeah, you will have to wear it like that. And the price of this is 249 rupees. Like 3 bangles for 250 rupees are a bomb deal. So yeah, this was the third thing that I ordered. I ordered all in all 9 things, and yeah, here we go with the fourth one. The fourth one is Spanx. I ordered them for the first time ever in my life. I don't really believe in these kind of things, but you know, sometimes when you go to a party or somewhere, it becomes a bit awkward. So I bought Spanx to cover my tummy fat. So yeah, this comes in 1 size only, and if you guys are wondering how the people who have size lesser than this will wear it, अगर किसी का साइज से कम होगा ना, then they don't really need Spanx, I'm telling you. So yeah, it comes in one size only, and this was for 200 rupees only. Like, I went to the nearby market and they said it was for 450 rupees, and I was like, let me just stock it on Club Factory once, if not then I will buy it from here. And I was shook looking at the price that it was just for 200 rupees. Also, Club Factory is giving free shipping these days, like on everything, and you do not have even a single, minimum bill value. Like, the minimum bill value is 0. If you buy thing of 50 rupees also, you will get free shipping. But still, I brought a lot. So the next thing we have, this is the last boring thing I tell you guys. After this, everything is very interesting. That's what I feel. Okay, so this is a mini tripod. I ordered this for my Instagram feed, to maintain my Instagram feed. I ordered this to record slime videos. I have collaborated with some slime pages, and to record slime videos, I ordered this. I first ordered this and then I collaborated with them. So this was for 193 rupees only. It came up with this. This is really flexible, you guys. See, it goes also like that. I saw it, I was like, this is just perfect. So I ordered this. The next, now we are starting up with really interesting thing, and that's what the thumbnail of this video says. Yes, I did order 6 bags in 800 rupees, and this was insane. The very first and the most favorite one for me is this smiley sling bag. I wanted a bag in yellow color, and I was just scrolling for yellow color bags, and this came up, this showed up, and I was like, this is meant for me. This was in my wish list for a very long time. I was like, when I will get time, I will order so many things all along, so that I can save some shipping charges for Club Factory people maybe. Okay, so this has got a long strap, and this is how it looks from inside. No zipper, just one zipper compartment, and still I'm happy with that. So yeah, this was for around 300 rupees, I guess. इसमें कुछ ठीक से लिखा नहीं है. So this was for 300 rupees. The next what I have is this really cute coin purse. I so love this, you guys. If you guys honestly follow me on Instagram, that you guys might know that I love cakes like anything. I have always been preparing brownies or some other cakes on my Instagram, and every time I prepare, I post pictures of that. So you guys know that I love cakes. So when I wanted a coin purse, a small thin coin purse, so that I can put it anywhere I want, like inside the bag, inside the pocket, anywhere. So I was basically looking for a coin purse, and when I came across this cake shaped one, I was like, oh my god, I have to get my hands on this. So yeah, that's how it looks like. This is so cute. OMG, I so love it. The quality is too good, like it's worth the price. And here we have one zipper compartment. The only zipper compartment that we have is here. I think you guys would be able to keep your keys and both your money inside this. Both of them will fit. And I was pretty happy to see this. This wasn't mentioned on the product details on the app, but this is there. I will probably hang it on the straps which is given for the belt on the jeans. I will hang it here because I don't like holding things on my hand. So yeah, this is so cute. OMG. Okay, this was for 120 rupees. So next up we have is this was a set of 4 bags for just rupees 500. I really did not had any intention to buy this bag, but when I saw the deal that set of 4 bags for 500, I could not stop myself because my love for bags is unreal, guys. It's unreal. I cannot stop buying bags ever. So the first piece that we have is this bucket bag. If you will stretch this will get a shape of a bucket. Yeah, so this is the first thing we have. This has only single zipper compartment, and which is over here, the main one. The only single compartment, zipper compartment we have is this, and we also have a strap with it for hanging it up. So the second piece we have is this mini card wallet, and आराम से इसमें 10-12 cards आ जाएंगे. So yeah, the next second piece was this card wallet, card holder. The third piece that we have is a wallet, like clutch kind of a wallet. Yeah, this has zipper on the back side only. And yeah, this I have thought of using this on regular basis. The third thing that we have is a sling bag. This has got a really bad taste, I tell you guys. I am probably planning to cut it off because this really disturbs the look for me. So yeah, this is how the sling looks like. This is very small, very cute. I am more into small things rather than the big ones. So yeah, that's how. And we have got one strap for this one as well, which is this. Again, for this one, like I got one strap with this and one strap with the bucket bag also. So yeah, we have got all-in-one true straps for the whole set. Also, I would like to tell you guys, the quality of this one is fine. Like, you cannot expect more in 500 rupees. The leather is really soft, though it's a bit thin, but the leather is soft. The quality is not excellent, but it's not bad, even though the quality is good. And I have been obsessed with holographics, and I wanted one silver holographic bag at any cost. So, and also I wanted a backpack, so because I'm traveling this year so much, so I wanted one medium size backpack for traveling purpose. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is silver, this is holographic, this is backpack. This gets 3 of my demands in one thing. How can I not buy it? This is so amazing, so hollow. Oh my god, I so love it. Just the time I opened it, I saw it, I was like this. This was so cute and I was so happy. Like, this is as it is in the picture and I was so happy. This is way more than I expected it to be. So let's just start with the features. So the very first we have is the pocket over there here. It's pretty huge. I have decided to keep my earphone, phone and charger inside this. Then we have a big zipper, the main compartment over here. This is quite a lot spacious, guys. This might look small, but the the college long register, this fits inside this. I have tried it. So yeah, that's how spacious it is. And also here we have, on one side we have the small zipper compartment to keep your secret things. You can also keep love letters maybe. So yeah, you can keep that. I have decided to keep it for money, and I'm not in that kind of things these days. And on the other side you have got two more compartments like this and this. I am very lazy person, so I've thought of keeping my pen, pencil, eraser popping out of this pouch, this space. So that's how this bag is. The quality of this bag is bam, guys. The quality is really good. The zipper and everything is too good, and the straps also are of a really good quality. It's satin, I guess. The quality of the bag is too good. And this bag was for 960 rupees. I know this is a bit this is not really expensive, but this is expensive as compared to the other bags. But I saw it and I was like, I'm not going to see the price. I want this at any cost. So yeah. So yeah guys, here I end up with my Club Factory haul. My love for bag is endless and that's why I have ordered maximum of the bags. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then give this video a big thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.